Back in this video. Today I'm going to show you this website. The website name is faucet, and this website pay you this much cryptocurrency every time you want to withdraw from this website, and this is online since 2020. Okay, and right now you can see this website pay faucet pay C-Wallet, Coinbase, and Peer. And when you want, you can withdraw. Just click register. You can put your email, username, password, confirm password, and solve the captcha. The captcha say select the upside down picture. This is upside down picture, not of this one. You just click it and you can make it. I have already account. Just I go to login my account. Okay, this is an upside down picture. Okay, this is the upside down picture, and just click login. Okay, now you can see I'm in my account, and you can see this much balance I have tokens, and this much BTC I make from here. And this is my web account since I'm member from 2022. Okay, and how you can start earning from here? Just click this three dash in here. The first one is the compute down. The first one is a faucet. You can click the faucet. You can claim your faucet every time you claim it. You can see limited time is this much time. If you click all of these, it take this much time. Okay, reward is 55. How you can claim? Just solve this captcha. First of all is a dog, fox, mouse. Come down is a dog, fox, and click the mouse again. And here upside down picture, this is upside down picture. Just click it and just click claim. Okay, and you can see you can take your coin easily, and after 3 minutes you come back and claim again. And at the next way earning is come here the offer walls, but offer walls is too hard to claim it. At the next way is a short links. You can complete the short links. If you complete all of the short links, pay you this much tokens, and it's too easy to making much more amount. The next way is the PTC ads. PTC ads one of the best way to you can earn it much more PTC ads from here. This is three part of the PTC ads. Window ads, to you didn't close the window. If you click it one of these, you just I click one of these, then close this window in 50 minutes. After 50 seconds. After 50 seconds, come back to website. You can see, and it's a limited 5 minutes left. And after that you can solve the captcha and you can make your amount. This is the captcha. Click it and click verify. Okay, after that you make your amount. The next way is iframe. Iframe is one of the best way to you can make it your amount. You just click one of these. You do your 30 seconds watch this and pay you 77 tokens. Just click view, and you can see this is show you a timer in here. To after finishing the timer you can claim your amount. I just pause the video and just come back again. Okay, show me a capture. This is the capture upside down picture, and just click verify. Okay, after that you can see your amount will be pay in your balance. This will be increase your balance. And the next way earning is just click three dash from here. The next way earning is contest or daily bonus. Daily bonus is one of the best way to you can earn every day. This is daily bonus. If you complete all of these, you can see if you take tokens from watching ads, advertisement, just click claim. You can claim your tokens and you can make much more amount from daily bonus too. And this is after this much time you can take again your action. And the next way is a referral. Okay, the referral is another best way to you can earn amount from referral. Share your referral link to other people, to your friends, to come here join with your link, and you can earn some satoshi from the referral. 10% of referral commission you can earn, and have a lot about to show you who is the best one in the world. And you can see claiming amount and this much taken price. Okay, If you be in the contest, you can just click it. You can be in the contest. This person have a 33 referral, this much tokens, this will be win. Okay, this have a short links, you can see claim is short links, and faucet claim, this is another one, and PTC has, this is the easy one, you can be in the top. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my videos, and this website link available in description and in my Telegram link channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.